Is your 2018-2022 Honda Accord key fob not working as well as it used to? Chances are the battery needs replacing. This video will guide you through a simple DIY replacement. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver, or prying tool. These batteries typically last 1 to 3 years. Replacing it yourself can save you $50 to $100 compared to a dealership visit. Let's get started and restore your key fob's functionality. First, locate the small indentation on the side of the key fob. This is where you'll start to open the case. Gently pry the case open using a small flathead screwdriver. The case snaps together with clips, so avoid forcing it to prevent cracking. Once open, locate the CR2032 battery. Note its orientation. The positive side should face up toward the circuit board. Use the screwdriver tip to gently push the old battery out of its clip. Be careful not to damage the contacts. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces the circuit board to avoid short-circuiting. Snap the case back together firmly. Test the fob by pressing buttons from a distance to confirm it works properly. For key fob care, work on a non-conductive surface to avoid static discharge. Clean battery contacts if needed. Always dispose of old lithium batteries responsibly as they are recyclable. If the fob still doesn't work, double-check battery polarity and contact cleanliness.